We are a family that truly believes in research. We have a number of people in our extended family, 5 actually, who have intellectual disabilities. 2 people have Down syndrome, and 3 have Fragile X. So anytime there's any type of research out there that we can either learn more about who we are, who the folks in our family are, or help people out in the community, then the better off we all are. I work in the field and just think it's really important that if we can figure out if there is a connection to Alzheimer's and how we can prevent that or how we can assist the families that might be affected by it, then more power to the results of this research study. And we're hoping that we don't have any correlations with Steph here, but you know, she was willing to be part of the study, basically.
I was in that taco shell thing for my back.
She called the PET scan a taco shell because it's just a small table that she had to fit on to go into there. She got poked and prodded a few times.
With 4 people.
With 4 people to get her blood.
You're involved in the Special Olympics, right?
Yes.
Yes. And have you been in the Special Olympics?
Oh, yeah.
Why don't you tell me a little about that?
Let's see. I mean, everything.
You're in everything?
Yep. Let's see. Swimming, tennis, golf, bikes. What's the other one? I forgot.
You played basketball one year, didn't you? Not for
Let's do the skills.
Just
That's
the
it.
skills, okay. What else? Do you do the bocce?
No, I did basketball skills, tennis, golf, swimming. Oh, jeez, I forgot. Bowling.
The most popular sports.
What's your favorite?
Bowling.
Yeah? Why?
Because between golf and tennis, it usually gets too hot.
So not only is this a study that's leading to an enormous amount of information regarding Alzheimer's and Down syndrome, but it also helps us understand the pathology as it relates to amyloid in Alzheimer's disease in general, the very early signs. And it turns out that you know, it's difficult to find people that are at risk for Alzheimer's disease and to image a population that is at risk for Alzheimer's disease. But because individuals with Down syndrome are at such increased risk, and I mean the risk is thought to be close to 100% of individuals will ultimately develop Alzheimer's, this population actually offers us that very unique opportunity of being able to understand the preclinical phases and what's going on in the brain in the very earliest stages of Alzheimer's. So it's really an important study.
Well, Steph lives independently now in an apartment with another roommate, and we hope that that will continue for as long as possible, just because we've always believed in her independence. And, you know, we're concerned, as any family member might be of anyone, just to make sure that people stay as healthy as they possibly can as they get older. And, you know, Down syndrome brings its own share of other issues. We don't need to add one more thing to the pot, basically. You know? We've had these folks come to Special Olympics and be there to offer information to try to recruit people. But there's so many folks out there that could certainly benefit by doing the same thing Stephanie did and help Dr. Jennings in the process.
We actually have people coming from Vermont and Boston.